Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve question number 14, exercise 2.2. The question is, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency note of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So first of all, student, we have to understand the question. In the question, what things are given and what we have to find out. So student, in the question it is given Lakshmi has total amount, that is 4 lakh rupees, and she has only three types of notes: 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Only three type notes are there and the total cash amount is 4 lakh rupees. And the ratio of the number of notes is given 2:3:5. Means total amount 2 part 100 rupees notes are there, total amount 3 part 50 rupees notes are there, and total amount 5 part is 10 rupees notes are there. And we have to find out how many note of each denomination does she have. We have to find 100 rupees how many notes are there, 50 rupees how many notes are there, and 10 rupees how many notes are there. So I hope you understood this complete question. Now we will solve it. So firstly, what things are given, we will write in our solution. The things are given that Lakshmi has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 10 and rupees 50. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. And the total cash with Lakshmi, that is 4 lakh rupees. Okay, this is 4 lakh rupees. Now we will assume here the ratio of the different notes that is given. So we will convert in number of notes. So here we will assume, let the number of notes of rupees 100 is 2x, the number of notes of rupees 50 is 3x, and the number of notes of rupees 10 is 5x. Here sequence we have to follow. First 100 rupees, then 10, then 50 rupees, then 10 rupees. So here we assume 2x is number of notes of 100 rupees, 3x is the number of notes of 50 rupees, and 5x is the 10 rupees notes. Now student, in this question we have to given the total amount. So we will form the equation by total amount. Here now we have 2x, 3x and 5x different dimension number of notes we have assumed. Now we will find the amount, total amount of 100 rupees note, then total amount of 50 rupees note, and then total amount of 10 rupees note. So for that, so amount of 100 rupees note, total amount of 100 rupees note, how it will be find out? We have assumed 2x is the 100 rupees note, number of notes are 2x, and total amount we have to find, so multiply by 100, so it will be 200x. Similarly, in 50 rupees note also we will find how total amount of 50 rupees notes equal to number of notes of 50 rupees are 3x, multiply by 50. So the total amount will be 5 3s are 15, 150x. And then total amount of rupees 10 note equal to rupees 10 number of notes are how many we have assumed, 5x, 5x multiply by 10, 10 5s are 50, 50x. Okay, so here student, separately we find the total amount of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note. Now this all three sum will be equal to rupees 4 lakh. So according to question, here 200x is the 100 rupees note total amount, 150x 50 rupees total amount, and 50x is 10 rupees total amount. This all three sum will be equal to 4 lakh rupees, because it is also showing the total amount money and it is also total amount of money. So 200, 150 and 50 we will add because all our variable terms are there. So it will be 400, 400x equal to 4 lakh. So the value of x will be, this 400 will go in divide. So 0 0 cancel out and 4 1s are 4, it will cut 1000 time. So student, number of notes of 100 rupees if we have to find, so how to find? We assume the number of notes of 100 rupees is 2x and the x value we find 1000. So 1000 into 2, it will be 2000. That means 100 rupees notes are how many? 2000 notes of are 100 rupees. Similarly, remaining notes also we will find out. Number of notes of 50 rupees. What we have assumed that 3x are the number of notes of 50 rupees. 3, the value of x is 1000. 1000 into 3, 3000. That means 3000 notes of 50 rupees in that collection. And at last, number of notes of 10 rupees, it we have assumed 5x. 5x means 5 multiplied by 1000, 5000. That means 5000 notes are of 10 rupees were there in the collection. So in this manner we find the solution. I hope you understood this. Thank you.